Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy nachos. Let's dive right into the delicious details. First, you'll want to gather your essential ingredients. Start with a generous bag of your favorite tortilla chips, perhaps 10 ounces as your sturdy foundation. Next, choose a fantastic melting cheese like sharp cheddar or creamy Monterey Jack, about 8 ounces shredded. Finally, decide on your protein. Seasoned ground beef or hearty black beans work wonderfully, approximately 1 pound. Now, let's talk about the art of layering for maximum flavor in every bite. Begin by spreading a single, even layer of tortilla chips across a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some love. Then, sprinkle about 1/3 of your chosen cheese and protein evenly over this first chip layer. Repeat this process 2 more times, creating 3 distinct layers of chips, cheese, and protein. This method guarantees a delightful distribution of ingredients throughout your nachos. Once your nachos are beautifully layered, it's time to get them perfectly melty and warm. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your baking sheet into the hot oven and bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is wonderfully bubbly and completely melted. After removing them, immediately add your favorite fresh toppings such as vibrant salsa, cool sour cream, and zesty sliced jalapenos for an extra kick. The moment has arrived to enjoy your culinary creation. For the absolute best experience, serve your hot and fresh nachos immediately after they come out of the oven. The chips will be perfectly crisp, and the cheese wonderfully gooey. Consider offering a small selection of extra toppings on the side, like guacamole or chopped cilantro, allowing everyone to customize their plate. Gather your friends and family, and savor every delicious bite of your easy, homemade nachos.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.